So this is the elevator at Ridgley Hall, Washington University, St. Louis, Missouri. Got along with the older style buttons. Let's go to 4. I found this interesting thing you can do with this elevator too. So if you open it on the bottom floor, apparently we're going down even though we're on the bottom floor. Now that is a neat old long elevator. I actually don't know how old this one is because it has the digital indicator with the old style buttons, but I always like seeing those buttons. Those are neat. So that's it.